Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both wires precisely. Strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation and inspect the copper for clean, untwisted strands. Once done, select an insulated butt crimp connector sized for the wire gauge. This choice controls conductivity and mechanical strength. Insert each stripped conductor fully into opposite ends so copper meets the metal sleeve. Make sure to pick a crimp tool matched to that connector. Using pliers or the wrong slot weakens the joint and creates failure points. Now you crimp. Position the metal sleeve under the correct die on your crimper so the tool compresses the sleeve evenly. Compress fully in one steady motion. A rocking or partial squeeze often produces an unreliable fold. Once crimped, tug each wire with moderate force to confirm the conductor is held tight and did not slip. After verifying, slide a piece of heat shrink tubing over the connector and apply even heat to seal against moisture and vibration. This preserves the crimp and prevents corrosion. Finish by inspecting the joint. No exposed copper, uniform sleeve deformation, and heat shrink sealed flush to insulation. Next, test continuity with a multimeter to ensure low resistance. This confirms electrical integrity before you reconnect power. If you find intermittent contact or high resistance, don't patch it. Cut out the connector, restrip cleanly, and use the correctly sized connector and crimper. A single proper recrimp is far more reliable than repeating poor crimps, so replace parts rather than forcing a marginal connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.